Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by forcing the console into safe mode and making sure you can control it. This is essential. Power off completely, wait 30 seconds, then hold the power button until you hear a second beep. Once in safe mode, connect a dual shock controller with a USB cable and press the PS button to pair. Make sure power and HDMI are stable so you don't lose display. Now that you're in safe mode with control, you can choose the option that matches the problem. Start with the least destructive choices so you preserve data. Once done, select Restart Ps4 to clear temporary glitches. This often fixes stuck processes. If the picture is wrong, choose Change Resolution to force a compatible output, then reconnect your HDMI cable. If the system firmware looks outdated, pick Update System Software. Try Internet Update first, and if that fails, prepare a USB with the Ps4 folder and official file. Updating resolves corrupted system files that cause safe mode boot loops. When less invasive steps fail, move to deeper repairs while protecting data. Rebuild Database reorganizes the hard drive and often fixes crashes without deleting games or saves. Choose it first. If problems persist, backup saved data to USB or cloud, then use Initialize Ps4 to restore factory settings. This erases all user data, so backup is vital. If system software reinstall from USB fails, make sure the USB is
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.